Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today I will explain how to edit with Essential Sound.
Let's begin. Let's start.
By using Essential Sound, even beginners who don't know much about audio can easily edit audio. If you're editing a YouTube video, you can produce a good quality video just by editing audio with Essential Sound. From Window, select Essential Sound. In this way, the Essential Sound panel will be displayed. It's a narration clip. It's a BGM clip.
皆さんこんにちは。魔法使い系 Vtuber のAYANAです。今日はプレミアプロの起動と新規プロジェクトの作成について解説していきます。それでは早速行ってみましょう。スタート。
After selecting the narration clip, at Essential Sound, select Dialogue. Similarly, click at BGM Audio Clip, then select Music at Essential Sound. You can balance the sound by using the Loudness function. Tick Loudness and click to expand. After loudness is expanded, click Auto Match. This automatically adjusts. With Preset, you can easily adjust the sound to your liking. Click Preset in Essential Sound to select your favorite preset from a variety of presets. If using ducking function, you can turn down the volume of the BGM only in the narration part. Select the BGM clip and tick Ducking under Essential Sound. At Duck Against, select Dialogue. After adjusting the volume, reduction, and fade time, click Generate Keyframe. In this way, the keyframe is automatically generated, and at the narration part, the volume of the BGM audio is lowered.
皆さんこんにちは。魔法使い系 Vtuber のAYANAです。今日はプレミアプロの起動と新規プロジェクトの作成について解説していきます。それでは早速行ってみましょう。スタート。
This concludes the explanation of how to edit with Essential Sound.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.